Average regular door handle go
Don't
B
go for
tier.
meatball.
It go B tier. This one, not my favorite.
Yeah,
Eh, eh.
not my favorite. I'd
C
say
tier,
maybe B again.
I guess.
C, I don't know.
Oh, fancy door handle, A tier.
Ooh, fancy door handle. Yeah.
Really fancy door handle, S tier.
Okay.
Not drawer.
That one.
That's not a door
Oh,
handle.
put that one in D. Put that one
Yeah,
in D.
that is a drawer handle. Oh no,
I have had like 18 of those break.
we got the grandma house edition.
Grandma won A tier for fond memories because food. You're like absolutely insane cookies no matter what.
D attached door handle.
Yeah, I don't know.
I say that one goes
Yeah.
B tier with the other.
There's definitely worse options.
Mm,
These are the.
B.
I think these are like the standard in every single non-home.
Yeah, this is a C door handle. This
Bad memories.
this thing.
I don't know what that is. Put it in D
D.
tier. I don't know what that is.
This thing brings back memories, boy.
Oh yeah.
A tier, S tier, S tier. Never. No. D tier. Same with this thing. This has brought horrible school memories back. Handlebar. Store door handlebar. Pretty good, but bad if it doesn't say push or pull. B tier. The passcode door handle. I pulled up the wrong. Passcode door handle.
They're good until you forget what the password is.
Yeah. S for safety. No. D tier.
No, what is that?
D tier. It doesn't. That is how the handle works. Diamond.
That goes into the. Does the other one have a sword in it?
What do you mean? This I'd say fake stone C tier.
Also, that next one, it looks like it has a sword in it, so it goes to F.
Yeah, S for sword. Really, this thing? D.
What the hell are these door handles? Who made these?
D tier.
Like, can we just stick with like the first one we ranked? That one's just better. It's just superior.
Yeah, this thing gets promoted to A tier.
It gets promoted to A tier just for being superior.
Yeah. Well, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. Maybe we'll have another one tonight.
A very good one.
A very, very good one with funnier people than us.
On the topic. I'm not.
Goodbye.